Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my Anastasia Beverly Hills single eyeshadows. I have collected 8 different shadows that I think really complements olive to darker skin tones, and I picked up only those colors. So I have 8 shadows and I will be sharing with you swatches and details. So let's get started. So the first shadow that you can see here is called Electro. This is a very shimmering, medium pinky kind of shade. You can see lavender, and it has cool undertone and it has a frosted sheen. So I really think it pops up in the lid and it's beautiful. Now this shadow that you can see is called China Rose. It is a very warm kind of shade with brownish orange and frosted finish. This is one of their permanent shades for Anastasia. And look how beautiful it looks in olive kind of skin tone. It really makes your lid look gorgeous. You can use it any time of the day. So the next one is called Sangria. It's a warm plum kind of shade. It has a frosted finish as well, and this is also permanent for Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really love this color so much. Now this one is called Pink Champagne, which is again a warm taupe color with a very sparkly finish, one of the permanent shades, and this is absolutely gorgeous. The next shade is Gold Rush, which is a bright gold color. You can say light yellow, but very bright, with warm undertones, and it has a frosted sheen. The next one is called Topaz, which is a warm brown shade, and it also has a frost finish. I really love this color for regular use. It is absolutely complementing for darker skin tones. The next shade is Truffle Glitter, which is a warm brown with metallic finish, and this is also permanent. This shadow is so gorgeous for creating dark brownish smoky eyes, and this blends like butter. This is so buttery. The last shade here is called Emerald, which is my absolutely favorite, and this is a medium dark forest green with warm undertones. So now you can see all the shades swatched in my hand, and I think you are really loving all of them. These are really very pretty colors, and the interesting thing is all of the shadows blends like dream. Each of these shadows comes in individual pans, so you can buy their 4-pan refillable palettes and make your own custom palette, which is a plus. And for the price, in Kicks, Sweden, you can buy them for 139 Swedish crown each of the pan, and in Cult Beauty, they retail for 12 pounds. So I hope you really enjoyed the swatches and got pretty much idea how they look like. I really love applying these shadows with my fingers on my eyelid, though you can work with eyeshadow brushes, but I think with fingers you get the best payoff for the color, and then you can just smudge the outline with a smudging brush and you're pretty much good to go. And today in my eyes I'm wearing also these single shadows. So the shadows right now I'm wearing, you have it all in the description box. So please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.